Hi guys, today I'll be going to show you how to download screencast-o-matic. So I have been recording with this app guys. So it is great for beginners like me. So only the limit is only 15 minutes. So you can use it. First go into Chrome. And then type in screencast-o-matic. screencast-o-matic.com. So guys, I already downloaded it. So you need to click on record for free and something will pop out down here. So after it downloads, you need to click on that. If you click on that, it will come like wizard or something like that. Set up wizard, and then if you do it, then after all that process you need to click on record for free and it will come like this, and click on launch recorder and it will come like this. Launch recorder will appear in a second. So and go down here and click on that, but I'm already recording that, so it won't come guys. So if you click on that, it will come, there will come here something here, then you can click on record, but first yes, it will pop out like this one. So if you want to record both, you need to click on that. If you want only your webcam, then you need to click on that. And like me, I don't know what to say. So I kept on this only normal screen. So now then you need to start a fresh Chrome. If you want to do that, you can go into this and click on add and do everything. So I'll show you that also. You can choose any color. So I'm just gonna do this. No, I'm gonna do full gray and then click on done. Oh, first we need to do this. First we need to put our password. So I'll type in I don't know what. I'll type in done and you need to click on get started and click on next. You can choose anything you want. So I'm gonna choose this escape and next. What? So we need to sign in or everything. I'm not gonna use this account after this video. I'm gonna delete it very soon. So I type in something. Share address GMAIL dot co. That's what. First I need to check my this profile. PDD what? PDDJ. Okay. PDD. What? Wait, I know something. Then PDDKJH, 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 and then you can copy it. KJ. What? DDKJH FHJB HJB. So let's check if it is correct. HJB. So it is correct. and you need to add all that thing. @ dot what? Not GMAIL dot COM. So next, click on next. What? It's not coming. You can ask your parents if you want to do that. So if you don't want to log in, so you can just click on no thanks and you will get the Chrome. And if you want to download anything, you can go in this Chrome web store and download anything. So this is it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video.